kang papakita sa mga tao sa ano. Parang simple.
Not just for myself, but for every person that has
Pati dito hindi ko pinapakita yun na pinapakita ko siya. Diba?
If you don't know me by now, here's Jamal Rogers.
Oh my God, so good.
Pero yung forma na hindi bagay sa song.
Ganda na story niya though. HIV positive yan.
Why?
Like drugs, tas sa turo.
Ah, sa drugs. So now he's maintaining?
Oh, survivor siya ngayon.
But once you're HIV positive, you're forever HIV positive, right? Like Magic Johnson. Pero hindi agi.
Hindi yata. Hindi, sa drugs na nakuha.
Ang galing. Yung features niya parang Pinoy, no?
Medyo.
No? Pero itim. Kumakain si Eric Salamat.
Sino yun?
Yung basketball player ng Ateneo.
Oh my God, this guy is gonna win this competition.
Jamal Rogers, Team Kilo, semifinals.
Ganyan pa talaga siya din? Para siya nagmamadali or mabilis talaga siya gumawa? Or nagmamadali rin siya?
Sure. Hindi ko nagmamadali.
Bakit?
Late na eh. Ay, hindi ko, actually hindi ko alam. Baka ganyan talaga siya.
Pero baka isipin niya na nagmamadali ako ah. Ako, magsisimula pa lang ako, kaya hindi na kailangan magmadali.
Set aside the competition aspect of this for a minute and just enjoy the fact that I'm, and I'm taking a cue from Blake here, but forget about the competition for a second. I'm just purely a fan of what you do, man. I love what you do.
Thank you, Heather. Thank you, sir.
Blake?
That's by far the most laid back performance that I've seen from you so far. And I got to say, ironically, because you did.